Welcome to a journey into our deep past. Paleoanthropology, the study of human origins, is undergoing a remarkable transformation, driven by the powerful combination of traditional fossil discoveries and cutting-edge genetic research. While fossils provide the physical echoes of our ancestors, our ability to decode ancient DNA is rewriting the human story. Imagine holding a genetic time capsule. That's what ancient DNA, or aDNA, offers. Scientists can now look directly at the genetic makeup of individuals who lived tens, even hundreds of thousands of years ago. This isn't just inference from modern DNA, it's a direct snapshot. We're tracking ancient population movements, discovering previously unknown human relatives like the Denisovans, purely from their genetic traces, and confirming that our early Homo sapiens ancestors interbred with Neanderthals and Denisovans. Sequencing these ancient genomes helps us build better models of how populations split, migrated, and sometimes replaced one another, but fossils remain absolutely vital. They are the tangible proof, revealing the anatomy and adaptations of past life forms. Crucially, they ground genetic findings in real time and space, telling us when and where these ancient populations actually lived. By connecting the genetic information from aDNA with the physical traits we see in fossils, like tooth enamel thickness, we gain a much deeper understanding of evolution. Fossils provide the essential timeline for when specific traits or genetic lines appeared and evolved. So, what happens when we bring fossils and genetics together? The insights are profound. We now realize that the rise of modern humans wasn't a simple, linear story. Instead, it involved complex interactions and genetic mixing between different hominin groups. Researchers are even exploring how this ancient intermingling might manifest in skeletal features, potentially identifying individuals with mixed ancestry directly from their bones. Large-scale projects sequencing thousands of ancient genomes are meticulously mapping prehistoric population shifts and genetic adaptations across continents. This integrated approach allows us to link genetic changes to environmental pressures, lifestyle shifts like the adoption of agriculture, for instance, through genes related to starch digestion, and even the evolution of our susceptibility to certain modern diseases. We can trace how risk genes for conditions like type 2 diabetes or multiple sclerosis dispersed with ancient migrations. And the field continues to accelerate. New techniques allow us to extract and sequence even highly degraded DNA, sometimes from cave sediments where no bones are found at all. Alongside this, advanced imaging like CT scans gives us incredibly detailed, non-destructive views of precious fossils. Plus, new methods in quantitative genetics are helping us analyze trait variations in fossils by understanding their underlying genetic architecture. In essence, paleoanthropology today is defined by this teamwork. The physical and temporal framework from fossils, combined with the genetic blueprint from ancient DNA, gives us a far richer, more nuanced picture of human evolution. This powerful duo is constantly refining our knowledge of who our ancestors were, how they lived, how they interacted, and ultimately, how we came to be. It's a fascinating, rapidly evolving story of ourselves.